Halo, we are from kelompok Tolop, and we want to presentation about hypothetical give opinion. And my name is Muhammad Dafa, and we are from class 44.4B.01, and my I-study number is 44190373. And next, maybe Sipa.
Okay, my name is Sifa Rahmatunisha from class 444B01. My ID study number 44190457. Okay, next maybe Rizka.
Hello, my name is Rizka Fitria Rushadi, 441904448 from class 444B. Okay,
And
next.
Dwi.
Hello, my name is Dwi Apriani Putri. My ID number is 441904882. I'm from class 444B01. And Nico?
Oh, hello. My name is Nico Kartuseba. My ID number 44190536, and I'm from class 44 4B and 01.
Okay. Now, so we are here wanna give opinion from 10 question from hypothetical. So the first question is, what would you do if you were late for an important appointment? So maybe start from me. I will give my opinion from this first question. For me, my story is first I will contact my friend who may have arrived at our appointment. Then I will apologize to my friends and tell my friends that I came a few minutes late, maybe because traffic light or anything. So next, who wanna be one next give opinion? Maybe Dwi or Rizka or Siva or Nico, whatever. Rizka maybe.
Ladies
Okay.
first.
My opinions call or text soon. You can make on time. If you are going to be more than 5 or 10 minutes late, over to schedule and over listen.
Okay, my opinion, I will still come even if I am late, and I will accept all the consequence because it was purely my fault. I was careless.
Then maybe Dwi or Nico, whatever. Dwi maybe wanna give opinion. Dwi make your mic is still silent. Yes, that's it.
Uh, in my opinion, first, I will apologize the person involved in the promise with me, then accept the consequence. Maybe Dava, your mic.
Yeah, my camera is
And I'm
off.
my opinion. I will still come even if I'm late and explain what was making me late.
Okay. The first question is done, and next question is, what would
Was
you
camera?
do if someone? Yes, yes. Okay. Repeat again. What would you do if someone accused you of a crime you didn't commit? So who gonna be first give opinion? Siva, maybe you wanna be first person?
Okay, I will give my opinion. My opinion is stay relaxed, tell the truth that I was not involved in the crime case, and bring this case to the police to examine who is involved in this crime case.
Okay. Next, wanna be give opinion? Nico, maybe Nico. You wanna
I
give your opinion?
think maybe ladies first. Rizka was Dwi.
Okay. Okay, maybe Rizka or Dwi. Okay, Dwi.
In my opinion, I will explain according to what happened. If the alleged crime is serious crime, I will talk to him to take this matter to the police. Let the police find out what happened. But if the crime he is accused of is like, I will look for evidence myself so that he believes that I didn't commit the crime as the alleged.
Okay, maybe Rizka.
Okay, my opinion first, climb down. Second, find out the fake story calculator. 3, to tell the truth. 4, get help. And 5, forgive them in process.
Okay, and then you wanna give your opinion first, Nico, or me?
Okay. I think I'm first. I think my opinion in this case, I keep calm and ask for a proof of the allegation, or even call the police to investigate if the case is big enough. I think that okay, Dapa.
Okay, for me, my opinion is I want to panic because I did not commit the crime is accused me of. Then I will ask what evidence he has after accusing me of a crime. Maybe if he or her cannot provide the proof, I will just look at him and just leave him. Okay, next question is what would you do if you got lost in unfamiliar city? Wanna be you maybe Rizka? Can you give your opinion first?
Okay. Okay. And my opinions, and the first step, don't panic. The second step, help you else handphone. The third step is to follow the instructor brought. And fourth step, keep your internet network connection.
Okay, next maybe Louis. Wanna give your opinion?
First, I will use my phone to open the Maps application. But if I'm still confused, I will ask the people around me.
And Siva, maybe.
Okay, my opinion. Don't panic. Use your smartphone to contact your family or friend and open Google Maps to find out where I was.
Okay, okay, maybe Nico. Wanna give your opinion or me first?
Um, okay, thank you. My opinion in this ask, uh, I'm 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 keep calm. So as not to panic. And try to ask question in people around, or maybe ask maps on my phone. And your Dapa?
Okay. For me, it's simple. Use the Google to find out where I am, or at least ask the people around me. And then remember the proverb say, seems to ask, get lost on the road. Okay. Next question. What would you do if you left something in a locked building? Maybe Louis.
Okay, in my opinion, if something left out isn't important, I will let it go and pick out it tomorrow. But if I leave something important, I will look for security to ask for help to open the room. Enough, Dava.
So, all right. Next, Siva maybe. Siva.
Okay, my opinion. Looking for security guard and ask him for help to open the building and told that I left something in the building. Okay, nah.
Okay. Okay. Next, Rizka maybe. Can you give your
Okay.
opinion?
In my opinion, don't panic. Call for help like a friend in the apartment and follow the evacuation instruction.
Okay, that's good. And then Nico?
Okay, I will reference him and of course ask him what is the reason first for doing so. Oh,
And?
sorry. My
Okay.
opinion first. I met a security guard and through to ask for help to be opened to take the item, my item. I think this is enough. Thank you, Dapa.
Okay. Okay, you're welcome. Okay, for my opinion is looking for security guard at that place to ask for his help to help you enter to retrieve your belongings. They are well right inside. Okay, next question is what would you do if your best friend stole something from you? Okay, maybe Nico. Can you give your opinion first about what would you do if your best friend stole something from you?
Okay, sure. Thank you. What your question?
What would you do if your best friend stole something from you? Like maybe your friend stole
Oh,
your
okay.
motorcycle
My opinion.
or anything.
This is my okay. This is my rules. From best friend. I will reprimand him and of course ask him what his reason was for doing so, and for the future consideration, I must be vigilant or remain so as well. I think this is enough. Thank you, Dapa. Maybe Rizka
You're welcome.
or
Yeah, maybe Rizka or Siva, or maybe Siva first. Can you give your opinion?
Okay. Okay, thank you. My opinion is telling her that it's not good and can destroy friendship. Okay. Maybe next
Okay.
April.
Yeah. Yes. Sure. Maybe April.
In my opinion, I will ask my friend why he did this. Ask him to return the item he stole and give him the understanding that what he did was a mistake and could damage the friendship. Maybe Rizka can be the next.
Okay, thank you, April.
Rizka.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Hello.
Yeah.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
Okay.
Maybe you can repeat your opinion.
In my opinion, we have to advise him so that and find through the item tag. Okay, Dava, next.
Okay. For my opinion is if it's describable item, I will ask where the item he took and immediately return it to me. If he doesn't want this problem, take to the police. But if it's this insignificant item, then I don't really care. Okay. Next question. 5 question again.
okay.
What would you do if you didn't have enough money to pay your bills? Okay, maybe I will choose April. Maybe can you give your opinion?
Okay, thank you, Dava. My opinion is simple. I will call my friend and ask him to help me borrow money. Enough, Dava.
Oh,
Maybe next, Rizka.
okay. Maybe Rizka.
Okay, thank you, April. My opinion is sending us money every day, looking for additional work and saving step in grabbing shopping. Okay, next ke Nico.
Go.
Okay. Thank you. In my case, my opinion the question, I will say to wait some time so that I can figure out a way to have enough money to pay my bills. This is my opinion. Okay, Dapa, you can.
Uh, okay. Maybe Siva first, and then I will give opinion. Siva first, maybe.
Okay,
Give your opinion.
thank you. Ask for my opinion is ask for waivers and told me I can't pay today. I'll pay a few days later because I don't have enough money. That's my opinion. Not okay. Next, Dava.
Okay. For me, is it will not happen because I will check how much money I carry in my wallet. Also, place I can use online payment. Okay. Next question. What would you do if your children were caught shoplifting? Uh, so maybe Rista, maybe if your mother. So what would you do?
Mm. Okay, thank you, Dapa. In my opinions, tell the child that is action, we wrong and truth, the stolen item, and ask the child to apologize. Oke, next ke Niko. Udah?
Go.
Me, okay. You say a question. What would you do if your children were caught shoplifting? Yeah, shoplifting. Maybe I will talk to him. That is not good thing to do. And I will give a little punishment so that he will have a good warning in his memory. So it's not. Yeah, I do that again. Okay, maybe Shiva have the best
Okay.
rules in.
Thank you, Nico. My opinion, scolding him and saying that it was unpleasant and that shoplifting was a sin. Okay, maybe
Do
April.
maybe April first.
Okay. I will apologize and admit my mistake to the injured part. Furthermore, it gave my son the understanding that stealing is a crime. Enough, Dav.
Oh,
Next.
okay. For me is I will kindly tell my son that it was wrong and remind him not to repeat it and get him to say an apology to shop owner. That's that. Okay. Next question.
Oh yeah, okay.
Three questions.
Maybe
Uh,
you remember what you do, go ya.
yeah. Yes. Okay. Next question is, what would you do if your car got a flat tire on the freeway? Maybe I will give my opinion first. First, I will pull over the side of the road, turn the hazard light, and then check whether my tires are flat or flat the inner tires. If it reaches the inner tires, then I will contact the freeway service to send a tow truck to repair my car tire. Okay, maybe next is Siva. Can you give your opinion?
Okay. My opinion, I'm going to call a tow truck because I can't fix my car tires alone. Okay, enough. Next, maybe Rizka.
Okay, thank you, Siva. In my opinion, the agent of the highway ask someone else for help and ask for a cleaning service. Next, Nico.
Oh, me, okay. Word apa? I will follow the car over in safe lane, safety, and then call the road security to help me. Maybe Dwi or Dapa, you can next.
I'm done. I'm done. So just April maybe not
Uh,
April.
Sorry,
I
sorry.
will. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. In my opinion, I will call a tow truck because I can understand about the car. And I can fix it enough.
Okay. Siva, already give your opinion? Okay.
Udah.
Okay. 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 Uh,
Okay.
next question. Next question. If you could change one thing about your past, what would it be? Maybe ladies first. April. Give your opinion.
Okay. If I could change the one thing about my past, I will often express how much I love my late father.
Oh yeah, that's me. Okay. Next is Siva.
Okay.
Maybe
Okay.
Okay. My opinion
Siva.
about it simple. I will change myself into a strong person. That's enough.
Okay, and then Rizka.
Okay, thank you, Dapa. In my opinion, changing a life from the better by getting out of your comfort zone.
Okay, and Nico next.
Maybe your self. Mungkin ya, Dapa.
Yeah.
Eh,
What? What? Can you say
Maybe
again?
you can doing
Me first. I'm
the
first.
first from me.
Uh,
Yeah, maybe you
okay.
first.
Uh, okay. For me is I will go to the beach during elementary school holiday because this my quest is back. Okay. Next, Nico. Give your opinion.
Okay. Thank you, thank you. I'm forget about question. But you asked
If you
if I call chance one thing about my face, what will it be?
yes, that's it.
Um,
That's the question.
I think nothing. I think
Nothing.
nothing. There is
Oh,
nothing to chance in my life. Nothing.
wow, that's
Nothing.
very
Why
interesting.
nothing?
Because
That's
Wow.
in
interesting.
a past story, I'm can be myself now.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Well, it's so interesting. You not want to change your anything in the past. Okay. The last question.
Nothing.
Give your opinion about if you could change one major historical event, what would it be? For me, I will give my opinion first. Is I want to stop war between Palestine and Israel. And then maybe Nico, can you give your opinion first?
Ah, this a hard question. I think seems like a nothing. Because I believe all the things that happen on this earth apa ya? Aduh,
It's from the God.
on this
It's from the God.
wait a minute. The earth the earth what ya?
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay.
Oh,
Take your time.
things
Take your time.
the earth already has already has
From
a
Allah
cause
Subhanahu
and
wa Taala.
effect that affects everyone, whether it is it is good or bad. Depending on which ang- angle we look at it. This my opinion. You can look there's a perspective from any people. Okay, you
Next.
learned it. Okay.
Okay, next. Siva,
Maybe
Siva,
we-
maybe. Can you give your opinion?
Okay, Siva, this a fun year.
Okay. It's um it's quite a hard question. And my opinion is I want to change the normalization that this form of sexual harassment doesn't only happen to women, but men can also become victim of sexual harassment. Sadly, if a man becomes a victim of harassment, netizen even blame the victim, not the perpetrator. Okay, that's my opinion. Maybe
That's good opinion.
April? Next.
Okay. If I could change one major historical event, what would I be? Maybe I will help cartooning to voice women's rights so that women in the future can freely express themselves according to their wishes. Enough. Next.
And then maybe Rizka, give your opinion.
Okay, thank you, Dava.
If you could change one major historical event, what would it be?
Yeah, sorry, Dava.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay.
In my opinion, if Kennedy did first, because if he won, it still live free port meat, not have gone to Papua. Thank you, Dava.
Okay. Thank you for Siva, Rizka, and then Louis, and then Nico. Give your opinion from 10 questions about hypothetical. Thanks for you guys again, and I'm so happy hear about your opinion. Okay, maybe it's
Yeah.
enough for tonight. Thank you very much again for Rizka, Louis, Nico, and Siva, and I will see you again next meet.
Okay.
Goodbye, guys.
Okay, you are welcome. Bye.
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 Thank you, Dap.
Thank you, Dava. Thank you all.